Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about the 10 juices to remove uric acid from the body. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. As you may know, kidneys eliminate excess uric acid, but they cannot remove all of this substance from the body. Always some remains in the body. If uric acid remains in the blood, it will cause a condition known as gout. Gout is common among middle-aged people. It is mainly because they don't keep their diet under control. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you 10 juice recipes that will help you to remove excess uric acid. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Many factors cause high uric acid levels, such as eating many purine-rich foods like meat, onions, liver, beans, mushrooms, peas, and so on. Obesity and diabetes are also associated with weight gain and excess uric acid. Let's look at 10 of the most effective juices for eliminating uric acid from the body. Number 10. Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice includes an enzyme called bromelain, which removes extra uric acid from the body. This juice reduces pain and inflammation of the joints caused by uric acid accumulation. The enzymes in pineapples dissolve uric acid and remove it from the body through urine. Number 9. Carrot and cucumber. Carrot and cucumber juice clears uric acid from your body. Make a juice with 2 carrots, 1 cucumber, and 8 celery ribs and consume it in the morning. This is a refreshing drink that will keep you hydrated throughout the day. Consume this juice for at least 20 days to clear all the uric acid from your body. Number 8. Ginger juice. To enjoy the benefits of this wonderful plant, grate a few slices of ginger and boil them, then cool and drink them. You could also add a little honey and some drops of fresh lemons to make it taste better. This eases pain and inflammation in the joints where uric acid is built up. Gingerols are the primary active ingredients in ginger root. They have a strong connection to capsaicin gingerols, and capsaicin is very similar on a molecular level. This means that the enzymes responsible for inflammation in the body are decreased. Number 7. Lemon juice. There is no need to say much about lemon juice because it is a universal dealer of all inflammation processes. The health advantages of the lemon are attributed to its countless nourishing and healing ingredients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin A, vitamin E, folate, pantothenic acid, riboflavin, copper, iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, phosphorus, and protein. These are all essential minerals for overall health. The lemon is a fruit that includes flavonoids composites with antioxidants and cancer-fighting properties. It controls diabetes, constipation, high blood pressure, fever, indigestion, and many other health issues. It also improves skin, hair, and tooth health. Number 6. Cherry juice. Cherries are beneficial in decreasing uric acid levels in studies. To control uric acid-related pain and inflammation, make cherry juice and drink it twice daily. Number 5. Beets and cucumber juice. Make a vegetable smoothie with a tiny cucumber, carrot, and beet. This vegetable smoothie will dissolve uric acid crystals and aid in the removal from the body. Drink this juice once daily for pain relief. Number 4. Apple juice. Apple juice balances the uric acid in the body, decreasing pain and inflammation. Apples also have malic acid, which effectively reduces uric acid levels in the body, so you should eat 1 apple every day to relieve gout symptoms. Gout is a disorder that affects the entire body. It is caused by residues of sodium urine crystals that amass in joints due to high blood levels of uric acid hyperosnate. In this condition, you may have symptoms like pain, redness, and inflammation in the area where the uric acid has accumulated. The excess uric acid crystallizes over time and often in the ankle, knee, wrist, and elbow. Number 3. Cranberry juice. This juice reduces uric acid, according to a study. However, whether you get cranberry juice, tea extract, or essential oil, the fruit will help your body's natural uric acid clearance. Basically, cranberry juice goes after the source of gout. In the first place, less uric acid means fewer and milder gout attacks. Number 2. Strawberry juice. Strawberry has a powerful antioxidant that aids in decreasing uric acid levels in the blood and liver by impeding its resveratrol production, which can be found in berries. It has a similar effect in the reduction of uric acid levels. It protects the kidneys from its harmful consequences, so strawberry juice is most preferable. Number 1. Berry juice. Berries are among the most effective anti-gout treatments due to compounds found in blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, grapes, and red cherries. This compound helps to remove uric acid from the joints, lowering swelling and inflammation. If consumed within 48 hours of a gout attack, the berries should help relieve symptoms. Hence, berries are one such antioxidant, and the anti-inflammatory properties of berries have long been known because of their importance in treating gout. When we consume foods with a high uric acid content, it causes some problems for our kidney function. However, high uric acid levels are most common when eating foods high in proteins or uric acid. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.